Hey guys, it's Paris from Face Paint with Paris, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. I just got a whole lot of face paint supplies, so before I use them I definitely wanted to show you guys what I got. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll start with stencils. So I got a whole lot of stencils. The first set of stencils I got is from a company called Underdog Press. And I ordered once and then I decided that I wanted more. And they're so nice. They wrote, "Thanks Paris, we included a little bonus for you, enjoy." And they actually included an extra stencil. So I really love that. Thank you Underdog Press. And I'll be sure to link every place that I got these in the description. I got the star stencil cluster and then the skull and crossbones in medium. And I don't know if you can see this. Here's what it looks like. Can you see it? So this is the skull and crossbones. This is perfect for when I do like pirate faces. So I definitely want to get that. And then of course, you know, you can't do anything without a star stencil cluster. And you can put that anywhere. So that's what I got on the first round. Oh, and the freebie I got was this large star stencil. So again, thank you so much. I can utilize this in a lot of different ways. Secondly, again with the same note, I got the diamond pattern. And this is the diamond pattern. I specifically wanted to get this one so when I do ice cream cones, it's kind of my signature. I love doing a lot of different ice cream cones. As you see on my Instagram, follow me at Face Paint with Paris, and I'll put that right below. I also got the flying bats for Halloween faces. The last stencil that I got from Underdog Press is the brick pattern. Of course I wanted to put this on like Ninja Turtle designs and just any boy design, so I really wanted a brick stencil. Moving on to the next company, this is from, and this is their cute packaging, Sparrow Stencil Supply on Etsy. They put a nice little note in here. And I ordered a cheetah print. This is for when I want to do cheetah full face designs. This makes it so much easier. I can just dab on this stencil and then I can just have my cheetah design. So this is also a staple in every face painter's kit. So thank you Sparrow Stencil Supply. Again, I'll link them down below. Next is from Elaborate Eyes Face Painting. Again, I found them on Etsy. And then in this order I got a leaf print because I ordered a Moana stencil, and then this is just good for summer designs and make really easy leaf print designs. And then I also got Olaf from Frozen. When I saw this, literally went crazy. This makes it so much easier to do Frozen designs. I don't have to freehand. We can just stencil in the white and stencil in the black and then some orange for his nose, and then we're done. So this is really amazing. If you want this stencil, I'll link it down below. Next, from Elaborate Eyes Face Painting, I got my Moana stencil. This is really awesome. I can just quickly do a Moana design. I love this movie, and I know you know, my clients, little children, love her too. And then like I said, paired with this leaf stencil, it just is gonna be an amazing design. So thank you Elaborate Eyes Face Painting for the stencils. Next, from my Etsy order, I got this from Grand River Trading Company, link down below. I got finger daubers. It said that I was ordering 10, but it's actually 12, you know, 2 sets of 6. These are really good. I noticed I didn't have them, and I noticed that I really need them. It just makes applying stencils that much easier, and when you're doing faces on the job, you definitely want things to be quicker and easier. So I'm so happy that I have 12. They have larger sets on Amazon if that's something you want to go for, sets of 20, sets of 50, but I'm someone who likes more of a compact kit. So 12 is just fine for me. That was this Tag Body Art Skin Tone palette, and it says it right on the back. It's just a skin tone palette, and I wanted this because, again, I like to do ice cream cones, and I really wanted a nice brown, but also I do a lot of princess designs, and I just wanted the full variety of colors. And it comes with 2 brushes, so that's really nice. I can add it to my kit. And we have everything from beige all the way down to a really rich berry brown, so that's really good, especially if you're a special effects artist. This is good, especially you can blend to just get really any skin tone there is out there. So I got this off of Amazon. I did not get this on Etsy, but I'll link it down below, and I cannot wait to create some really awesome things with this palette. Last but not least, I got this huge package from facepaint.com. So I left it in the packaging because I wanted you guys to see how well they actually package this. That's really awesome and really important. So it comes in this large box, and then on the inside it's bubble wrapped pretty extensively. So here's the bubble wrapping. Nothing can move and wiggle inside. First, I got the white by Crivelin, or Crivelin, however you pronounce that. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that name. I heard that it was like the best white on the market, so that's why I got it. I cannot wait to use this, like literally cannot wait. Next, I got the Tag Sunset palette. I saw someone on Instagram using this, and they used it for cheetah designs and also for butterflies, and I knew I needed to have it, so it's mine now. Cannot wait to use this. Last single split cake that I ordered in this order was this 4th of July split cake by Artie Brush. It is red, white, it looks like a baby blue and a navy blue. Really only gonna use this for 4th of July, but I believe it was $6 on sale, so why not? I had to get it. Last but not least is this Tag Body Art palette. Okay, this was a bit of a splurge for me. Definitely worth it. Let's open it. This is amazing. Everything I've ever wanted. This protective sheet was really nice. When I got it in the mail, nothing wiggled and moved about. It came just like this. I chose to get this one because it's actually 18 colors. I didn't want to get the 12 color circle pans because I just wanted more colors, and I knew over time I was gonna want baby blue, and then a darker blue, and then a medium turquoise blue, you know. But this palette allots for that. I have dark blue, baby blue, you know, turquoise, a lighter baby blue, you know. So this is a really good for beginners or for someone who wants to step up their kit and make it more professional, and then you'll have all your colors. So I just really love this, and if you're asking, yes, I love Tag, so I ordered the Tag palette. I am super happy about this order. Thank you, Face Paint Shop. I'll definitely be using this. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing video. I am so happy that I ordered all these supplies. I'm really stepping up my kit and taking it to the next level. If you are too, or if you just want some of these supplies that I got, definitely click the links down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!